morning to all of you. I congratulate Hyderabad Bicycling Club, is it? Bicycling Club, and Aditya Mehta Foundation for organizing such a wonderful event on on a monsoon morning. I congratulate Aditya Mehta for achieving what he's achieved in the last 3 years. I had no idea that he only started off 3 years ago. I almost thought he must have been cycling all his life, because for whatever he's achieved, a wonderful feat such as going all the way from London to Paris, or from going all the way from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, in spite of his physical challenge, I think it goes to show you that if there is will, there is certainly a way, and no sort of physical challenge or impediment can come your way. So I congratulate him once again, and I really appreciate GHMC and HBC as well for making this event happen, because this is such a nice initiative for all the youngsters out here who really are looking forward to making the city a green city, a clean city, and an environmentally friendly city. And the proposal that HBC has just mentioned, a proposal for creating a cycling cum jogging track between Outer Ring Road and the service road, I request GHMC to take it up positively. I'll also have a word with Somesh Garu. Most definitely, if this is something that is doable, feasible, we'll be more than happy to do it, because we want more and more events happening in Hyderabad. We want more and more environmentally friendly events happening in Hyderabad. So therefore, this is a wonderful initiative. I urge Aditya Mehta to take all caution, all precautions while cycling all the way from Manali to Leh, that is, which is a treacherous trek is what I'm told. So I urge Aditya Mehta to take all the precautions that are required. And I was just told that he does not really have a medical team supporting him. The state would be more than happy to support if he requests. So going forward, I think more and more athletes like Aditya need to be encouraged. We'll do everything in our capacity to do it. And once again, I congratulate all of you all on a Sunday morning for coming out so early and in such big numbers to support Aditya Mehta and his effort. Wonderful. Thank you so much. Thank you to GHMC and HBC. Cheers.